Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel SSRY Knowledge Hub. Learn, practice and grow. Have you ever wondered where rain comes from or where water goes after it rains? Water is always moving in nature. It travels from the earth to the sky and comes back to the earth again and again. This amazing journey of water is called the water cycle. The water cycle helps plants, animals, and people. It gives us fresh water to drink and helps keep life on earth alive. The water cycle has four simple steps. They are evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. Let's learn them one by one. The first one is evaporation. Evaporation means sun heats the water in oceans, rivers, lakes and ponds. The water changes into water vapor and rises into the sky. The picture shows water vapor. The second step is condensation. Condensation means high in the sky, the water vapor cools down. It changes into tiny water droplets and forms clouds. The picture shows clouds. The third step is precipitation. Precipitation means when the clouds become heavy, water falls to the ground as rain, snow, or hail. Step 4 is collection. Collection means rainwater collects in rivers, lakes, ponds, and oceans. Then the sun heats it again and the cycle repeats. And finally, the rainwater flows back into the rivers, lakes, and oceans. This process is called water cycle. Easy formula for remember is evaporation, condensation, precipitation and collection. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more English learning videos. See you in the next video.